Barbados, tomorrow night. Bad move.
Vendor people, I'm a work up car, wrap up now one thing and almost done. But I didn't watch the last game. But I didn't watch the final. Fuck that. Anyways, vendor people, Alkaline dropped a song last night called Decking. But yo, fuck.
A few moments later.
Alkaline drop new song when him Decking. But it come like I want to go on a Decking. You see Alkaline now, troublemaker you know. When Carter drop him album, him go drop song when him Better Body. Now Massacre Squash drop song, him go drop song the same day when him Decking. Nobody know the song.
So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
So Mr. Batman J Progress. We see a bill video after the man interview and do with academics, a reason, and you run out. So that means, it simply means everything you man do, you go run out and follow, and not check.
2,000 years later.
Right then, you must say teacher not have to touch, no, nothing. Even though they plan that, you know, because I try on the best to try to send back your man and go to prison. So when I try to do it, but remember.
You keep talking, man, and you shut the fuck up.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Because yesterday I put out a video and I get 11.7 11.7k views on it and about 2,000 suck your mother from cartel fans.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
You don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Mad thing. You understand? You know what things said people, you don't know one Media Fox funny up, don't? Yeah man, so look at now people, you don't know. Today, you don't know the Vendetta boss, you see me? Alkaline, I got there in Barbados. Tonight, I got shell it down a tipsy. And I'm not normal people. So, just look out for that. You see me? People, big up on yourself. Respect for the support. You understand? Yeah, man. You know what things said.
Sure. Vendor people, I'm a work up car, wrap up now one thing and almost done. But I didn't watch the last game. But I didn't watch the final. Fuck that. Anyways, big up to all the Argentina fans, Spain fans. But vendor people, Alkaline dropped a song last night called Decking. But yo, fuck. When you listen to it, if you don't listen to it, run go back, go listen to it and take it out. Bad song. Also, some man, have like 15, 16 hours ago, some fest. And some man said, people go get a ticket. Remember tomorrow tipsy. Remember Sunday tipsy. I will have to go get ticket. I show so already. When I have to go get ticket. But if you don't get ticket, I'm going to get ticket. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah man, and load up man people, load up. You see me tipsy. I think them did say like 4 days ago 95%. You understand? So low, so I think it's so low by now. You see it. So people, you don't know Barbados live. You see me? Today. Now go normal. So tonight going down in a Monday morning, you know things said people. I know nothing normal. You don't know Vendetta boss there already. A shell boss I go shell it down. You understand?
I can't come do that either. But with 40, was it 16 hours ago? What I know? 9 o'clock. Was 16 hours ago. A man still talk about I'm going to get a ticket. I'm going to get the ticket card. The ticket has like 8. The ticket is sold out all now. The legendary goalie card. And I can't dance all. With 9 months. Well, 9 months to show. And still talk about get ticket. We want you to go. Oh god, damn wicked, yo, fuck. I'm talking about around dance. I'm so not talking about around dance. But academic.
Yeah man. Yeah, some people that talk. Some people. I link I say, yo, John, be a ticket I give you and bag a thing. You understand? But we didn't know this still. You see me? We didn't know this, so. I just one of them thing the people them just not used to the Gully and Gaza thing as Sunfest that are more like Sting, so. That's how it go. I just one of them thing but people are going to forward out CMA because you don't know. Can't make his place look away, is it, so. Do what you have to do, so. We are going to see what go on, you see me? Well, even about we are going to see what go on. Look, see. You see me? We're going to see what go on with the show and a bag of thing. You see me? Because look here now. A bag of things that are there all over the media and thing. You see me? Yeah, so. We're going to see.
Go back to the academy show about around dance around hard work. What put in? Where they? Where that show? You and Movado the pancake show. How much days, how much months on officer show? And you and Movado, the legendary gold god. We're going to perform for 9 years Jamaica. 9 years, what? 11 years? Around man. 11 years at Jamaica. And I tell me, there's still a day to go, you still talk about, maybe I'm getting the tickets. No wicked or fuck, man. I don't fuck up on low dancer, man. Low dancer. I'm pushing, nobody going to go shut this mobile Alkaline. Movado, don't go down and try this alkaline, because I get it. I get it. See that fire from ready? Good piece of work from Sponge, Autobomb. Good piece of work. Autobomb, alkaline, I love it, dog. Put in your cup right, you know. Yeah, man, good piece of work from Sponge, Autobomb. Decking, check out it. And Decking have a meaning too, no? We're not talking about that today. The vlogger didn't do that. Maldan, Media Fox, Ricochet them. Everybody didn't do that. But yeah, check it out. Alkaline new song, Decking. I remember, July 19, Tipsy, Barbados. We did it live, anyway. Alkaline, whoosh.
People, me didn't know. Yo, me tell you the people, that boy Necko Fire and the man a try him best for people talk about the Squash and Massacre song. The man that try him best, he might try use the Alkaline song, you know. But here we Massacre, boy, Jaja youth. Me don't know from where they when we see J Progress I beat the Gaza, him stay silent, you know. Him silent, you know, him no want to say nothing, you know. As Alkaline drop song, him run out. But listen what I say.
Alkaline drop new song when him decking. But he come like I want to go on a decking. You see Alkaline now, trouble maker, you know. When Carter drop him album, him go drop song when he better body. No Massacre Squash drop song, him go drop song the same day when he decking. Nobody know the song. Nobody know the song.
But Necko Fire, yeah, say nobody know the song, but you're there talk about the song. If nobody never know it, brother, you wouldn't want forward come talk about it. Me not understand that. You know your feelings, bro. Cause you see nobody now. You try, me see over TikTok live and you try, yo people, man, I try promote the song, you know. You understand? And she people them talk about the Alkaline song. Bro, yo, John, dog, do something better, dog. You see me? Just do something better. You see? Cause the man, yo, people might say, man, it hurt the man, you know. It hurt the man, dog. You see? Cause first of all, no man no own a date or time when for release song. You understand? Remember, you know, anything can set. It no matter what. Look how much your artist drop song on a certain day. But your Alkaline drop a song no a problem. You see it? Remember, you know, people? Remember say other artists drop song on the day, you know. See it? But you see your Alkaline now, they might call it out. That's why it go a key man a dance hall, so they have to talk about him, you see me? Yeah, man.
That's something already. That's something they want to throw in one garbage bin. That's something already, man. We don't tell you. Super money is 760 and you are going to make people know about it, believe. I'm not lying. Nobody not follow Alka. Not even the vendor fans them know them drop song. No, not real life. Not even the vendor fans them know say Alkaline drop song. Because Alkaline still a compete with Squash. And my pre-massacre same way. My pre-massacre, you know. Right now, come here. Something already, for the song they come out and I book with them and I call them out and I find them bad, I go see them bad, you know. Alkaline drop one song when you're decking. Enough people even know about this song. So me go make a people from my life and know about this song. In Japan song when you're decking, the same time Massacre and Squash drop the song. 16. You don't know why feel like you want to compete with Massacre and Squash. And nobody not share free song. Song week like song week and a 7 days. In a real life.
Yo, let me tell you, Alkaline always use music and expose them. The man says song week, he sang this. Then if he sang week, why you talk about the song then? Why it hurt you so much say man drop a song pan the day when you not going like say artist one date? Squash and Massacre one date, say if them gonna drop today or whatsoever. Bro, the song with Massacre and Squash, brother, the man them love preview song too much. And then 2 weeks after them a drop song, it flap out the song, brother. Them a preview to why you not just drop song. And that's why they talk about Alkaline song, you know. Because when Massacre song drop, people don't listen lyrics and they get stale out. But Alkaline not do that. So that's why they talk. Remember, you know, is a Squash thing is a video thing, you know. You understand? But for Alkaline song drop, a be a problem. That's why you're there on your live, you promote the Squash song. And you talk about Alkaline song, nobody no Vendetta no know it. A crash out, dog. You don't see? A crash out, brother. People, the bad say, if they hear the song, Vendetta people don't know the song. But him there talk about the song. I promote Squash thing pan like and Massacre, you know. And it hurt him so much. Cause if nobody never that talk about it, it wouldn't hurt you so much for you talk about it and I say, yo, this or that and rare. Actually, you see people that talk about it. And that's why you're there crash out. But that's how it goes still. They're more to forward.
Somebody say Alkaline for go to the kid. No man, a bad artist know about him not the formula. A bad artist, me not girl, a bad artist in 2016. But him tell already, you know, if them don't listen to dancehall HR, them not go find out hit song boya. We tell them already, if they don't listen to dancehall HR, them not go find out hit song boya. Cause we know all Massacre and Squash drop song when him 16, and then all of a sudden Alkaline drop one song when him decking. And this song now deck. This song not decking. It look like Alkaline need to go for a decade, you know. Alkaline need to go for a decade, man. That song they are total garbage, man. That song is already, man. Hey, somebody tell him say not too late to take it down, you know. Take it down, man, you. Take it down. Don't much legacy. Don't mash up your legacy. Don't mash up your legacy. Alkaline, don't take it down. Take it down. You don't even reach now yet. You didn't even reach. The last time I check, you don't even reach 80,000 views or 70,000 views.
John, no, Necko fire. Man, I cry. Brother, John, know that. Me understand. Me G. People, you know see man a ball. I crash out, you know. When you hear me pull up and I pull up already, you know. At the squash and massacre song, you know. But Alkaline decking song hurt the man so much. You must say Alkaline, yo, take off his song. If his song a garbage according to you, why you tell him to take down his song? Jaja youth, that's how you go youth. Yeah man, I want key man, me tell you already.
Now almost 1 day now. How much views the squash and massacre gone already? Can I tell them already, you know, I give a song the 1 week, you know, run past every views on YouTube, you know. With them album, you know. Me I give massacre song.
Just make sure say squash no buy no views. That me I tell you no. Yeah.
When you hear me, I say, I'm a pretty goalie for boy in the dance hall, you know. Me I give massacre song with squash 16 1 week. We run past every song off of them album. When they drop on the album. I don't know why Alkaline feel like say he wants to side up himself with massacre and squash. When squash drop it, massacre and squash drop their song 16. Him decide to drop one song with him panic. Decade. Him go decide to drop one song with him decade. But this song now work. This song now work. This song now work.
Man, you're mad man, you know. I tell you, you know. So people, I tell you about them Gaza man, you know. See? You see, more while, bro, sometimes when some people are talk, you know, sometimes they don't have to crash out, dog. Just make them talk. And then we stop. But them Gaza man, yeah, always forward on the internet. Want send threat off a man for your next man. Remember, you know? Nobody know this them, you know. See? And them man ya take up them feelings for video and forward on the internet and crash out. I don't know how to do it, you. Me I tell you, but I want to listen to what I say, people.
So Mr. Batman J Progress. We see a bill video after the man interview and do with academics, a reason, and you run out. So that means it simply means everything you man there go run out and follow and not try style and disrespect. See how this matches what there because you reach in the comment section and tell us thank God for TikTok. So when you just plan for turn a foreign and disrespect you on them. Right, Joe? So you know on a life you live. Your job if you just get up and live Panga's name and teach them name right through your life. Alright then. You must say teacher not have to touch. No. You know the point that, you know. Come on, try on the bed.
People, you saw me I talk about rapid burst. Yeah, rapid burst over TikTok. What you mean say cartel now have to touch? Why every time on the forward pan the media I push badness? Remember, you know, brother, you a make a talk, you know. Remember say you a put yourself out there in the media, you know, me G. And you a put badness, but teacher and have to touch now. How that drop in? Is J Progress a not threat? J Progress just attack him opinion talk. Either facts or a madness him attack. How vice what you try say? Vice cartel now have to touch uno. Or what you try say vice cartel now have to do uno nothing what other people out there will do things. A them thing you on the pre-G. Eh? A them thing you not call on for vice cartel name, you know. You see me? What make you say people?
Yes. If you try to send back your man and go to prison, so when I try to do it here, but remember, you have some man out here that go take up things on their head and soon I just box you down and doing some things, watch. That I go reach you because when you take this internet thing for joke thing and play thing, man, you know, soon you get up day and night. You not talk about no woman, you not talk about nothing, you just all about the man life. You not chat him and chat see them, you chat something else about the man. You just get up and chat artists every day. That's your job for chat artists every day and disrespect artists. When I try to send him artists go back to prison, but remember, him not have to do nothing. But things are going to reach, you know. Remember.
Let me tell you this, brother. No man in a iron. Yeah? You are say, basically what you try to say, things are going to reach J Progress. And that you try. Remember say, you things can reach you too. You understand? Remember that you get up. You're a big man. And you depend on internet. a crash out over next man, brother. You feel like if anything do you, Vice Cartel, will come out and talk about it? Eh? Yeah, talk about you want to send back the man to prison. How would they rot it? Then nobody did send Vice Cartel to prison, my G? Nobody did send Vice Cartel to prison? Oh, J Progress attack some words and all of them look a thing there. Come in now see J Progress I tell Cartel boy mother and all of them look a thing there, my G. You understand? The man this cartel the read we are threat. First of all, the man not threaten cartel. The man not threaten cartel. So how Vice Cartel go end up we don't want the man end up back at prison. I saw no feelings, I saw no thin skin. Rather than we see J Progress attack, we never have to pay in mind, you know. But it show no mentality, bro. You understand? We don't have feelings in man too much fear for it on the internet. And I crash out over a man, so that's no problem, bro. You understand? Vice Cartel now forward out and push certain badness or no something. But uno, they are say, like uno want. Remember, you know, uno paint the bad picture on Vice Cartel, you know, because yeah say it look like uno want the man go back to prison. So what you try say? What you try say this so? Sometimes uno feel low the internet, bro. You understand? Rapid burst. A them thing I have fall upon the media and do me G. You understand? Me see enough time over TikTok. You understand? You say you rate your artist, but you paint a bad picture on your artist right now. You understand? What kind of narrative that? Everybody a come forward out and I say things. And the worst thing, me nah see no bag of woman forward out a defend cartel. Uno. Me no know wrong with Uno, bro. Me I wonder if you have family and them look at thing them G. For video on yourself and they are talk about this and Ray. Bro, even you rapid burst. See? Remember say you followed out enough time, even on your live and do video you talk about Alkaline and this and that and Ray, me G. You talk about heavy artists. You understand? Heavy artists. Uno as Gaza man don't talk about Alkaline same way. If I know be wash this, that, Ray. Vice Cartel is a celebrity. He mean at the media, every little thing. You understand? In life right out there in the media, my G. So people are going to talk. So what you try to say? If people talk too much, something like happen to them, or that you not try to say? I don't understand that, my G. I don't understand that. Sometimes when you just build, my G, focus on the music. You understand? Remember, una pay J Progress mine, you know. And that's why I'm continuing to do this, you know. But you can't do it. You can't do it, my G, because you're weak.
By internet this. Yeah? Go and put on a show. You know, all if a foreigner there in the youth, continue to do what you do, man. We see what you do with you. You style Gaza Nation, and we don't know you. And you come and style the boss. Style Matsus. Continue. Much video gone already, about 10 video do already. Continue, man. Keep them coming. Watch how the blood clear reach you, man.
Because yesterday I put out.
People, you see what me I talk about? Him not even know say doing this video, you know. If anything happen to J Progress right now, brother, that video alone can make you go prison, my G. Cause right now you not even know what you do to yourself. What you mean by look what I go reach you? Continue. You don't understand this, bro. Are you alone? I'm alone. Me see us talk about something I go reach J Progress and them thing there. Bro, come out on the feelings, my G. Wanna know Vice Cartel for the music. So how no day I push badness to one man say yo, him life change and him not do the badness thing no more. Him cut off of them thing. How uno push badness? Eh? People out here talk, them opinion and everything. Me nah see J Progress a threaten Vice Cartel life. You understand? The man does ask some question and say some things. Remember, you know, uno at this J Progress, you know. See? Remember, you know, J Progress talk enough things about Alkaline. You understand? Enough things about Massacre. Whenever I hear none of the fans of them artists, they are followed out and I make threat. And they on the media do this. But uno now have to involve badness in the thing and this and that and look what I go reach, man and Ray. Yo, youth, me I tell you, dog. You see uno? Jaja youth. But people, we're going to tell you what reggaeton boss are deal with, you know.
That video. And I get 11.7 11.7k views on it. And about 2,000 suck your mother from cartel fans. And I'm looking at it and say, but if they are so passionate about Cartel, why they not go buy the album? Yeah? Because that is the strategy that you need around here, you know. You need fans, diehard fans, to go and buy your album. And if you have 2,000 people that can tell you suck your mother, that means you have 2,000 fans that can buy music, but most of them can't buy a song.
Well, I saw it going on, my G. You understand? I saw it going on. Them not really care. You think them care about the music? Them not care about the music, dog. I tell you, them not care about the music. I SYM. I that me I tell you, SYM. But people, me have a video phone in a phone scene. We see that one you run out. Me no know wrong with the man in the people, to be honest, you know. I don't know wrong with the man, dog. It come like Alkaline song when you decking a mad man, dog. Me I tell you people. You see it? Me I tell you. Here where Necko fire say, Jaja you.
I'm not tired for me telling you the truth and not listen. Me don't tell you already say Alkaline always a feed off a Cartel energy. And him always a vibe off a Massacre energy too. Remember when Cartel drop his album in God and Time, when you saw Alkaline do? Alkaline drop him song in Better Body the same time. After Cartel drop him album. Now Massacre drop the song with Squash 1-6. And when you don't see him do after, me tell you say I'm gonna do it already, you know, for my life, you know. And see him come do it now, when him do. Drop one song when him decking. After Massacre and Squash drop them song. So like I'm telling you all that, I still not believe me. You know what I'm telling you when Alkaline go drop him next song, I don't already know already. I don't already know already. Dance all HR, man. I don't tell no lie, man. On the pretty levels. No comment and tell me when you don't feel like him go drop the next song. And this song when him decking, look like him need a shovel, him figure up on the decking. I'll be a one that true too.
Yeah, people go stream and buy decking, the Alkaline decking. Decking the morning. You see me? Them a cry till the morning. And a joke thing, that me I tell you no. Buy and stream, people. Cause them man just a cash out on the internet. Jaja youth. I never know say Massacre and Vice Cartel and Squash and the other. Nobody no own date me G for release songs. You know, people, I wonder if them wonder, you know how much songs release on YouTube per day? You know how much songs? Me know other artists release songs a day with Squash, but I not talk about them artists there. I just do Alkaline is a key man. So anything him do, I don't have to talk about it. You understand? And some of the time, most artists, them release songs on a Friday. You understand? I saw it, nobody now own a date. People just say, alright, Friday is a good day, weekend, way. You see what I try to say? Weekend, I don't know, be a bag of party, so yeah, if you song, you know, move certain things and yeah, DJ them can pay them for weekend, because most upon weekend people out the most. You understand? Work off every little thing. So I don't know when since this and that and way. You see me? Because so not preach one way. You see me? But you don't know through the rivalry in the YouTube street and in the society, this artist and real artist. So, you know, when that happen, then just say, oh, this and that and, you know, based on, alright, the artist release this, yo, this money and follow up. But, look how much time Alkaline drop song and man drop song after that. So, me not understand. Is it? Remember all one time, Squash and Alkaline a clash, and Massacre them drop song. And Massacre say, yo, pack up that and ray. Him type and him ray. Me never hear no say none. Look how much time. You see me? Look how much time. When them drop song, when Alkaline drop song, nobody no say none. But when them drop song and Alkaline, I just say thing about, remember, you know, I have to feed off of Alkaline energy. Because Alkaline in the internet space. Like that. You mostly see them artists in the space, but not to see Alkaline. When I see him just drop one music. You see me, no man no want no date for when to release music, my G. You see it, enough time Alkaline release song. Remember, you know, when Alkaline drop album, man them drop song about bossy about 1 kill 16. Me never hear you say none. You say this kill 16. So how now? When Alkaline drop song now, everybody a ball. Yo, you see man a follow up, feed off of energy, Me not understand this. What kind of energy? Them been a feed of Alkaline. Remember say Massacre been a call Alkaline name when they never bust yet. You understand? Every time when it comes to them feed off Alkaline energy. Alkaline up pay them no mind. You understand? Look there. Man drop album, him whole album him drop. And him had them same drop song named Tall Belt and it had this Alkaline and Massacre. Alkaline, them always a try get energy off Alka, so I think go. But people big up on themselves when they don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Mad thing.